Every generation has one skill that changes everything. For our parents, it was computer literacy. For many Nigerians today, it might just be artificial intelligence. Here's why. It's changing how businesses think about productivity and hiring. Whenever people hear AI, they immediately ask, will AI replace my job? But that may not be the right question. The bigger question is, will employers still hire someone who refuses to use AI when another candidate can do the same work faster and more efficiently with it? That's the shift already happening around the world. AI isn't only changing jobs, it's changing the value of certain skills. If your work depends heavily on repetitive tasks like basic data entry, routine customer support, simple bookkeeping, or writing predictable content, your role is likely to change the fastest. But if your work depends on creativity, problem-solving, communication, leadership, healthcare, teaching, engineering, or hands-on technical skills, AI is more likely to become your assistant than your replacement. The winners may not be the people competing against AI. They'll be the people who learn how to work with it. Nigeria has one of the youngest populations in the world. By 2030, experts estimate the country could need around 28 million digitally skilled workers to remain competitive. At the same time, studies suggest that nearly 40% of today's workplace skills could change over the next few years. That means graduating with a certificate may no longer be enough. Learning new digital skills could become just as important as earning a degree. This isn't all bad news. As some jobs evolve, entirely new opportunities are emerging. AI trainers, prompt engineers, cybersecurity specialists, data analysts, automation experts. Nigeria is already positioning itself to create thousands of AI-related jobs over the coming years. The challenge is making sure enough young Nigerians are ready for them. Maybe AI isn't the real competition. Maybe the real competition is the person sitting next to you who knows how to use it. In the future, employers may not ask, can you use Microsoft Word? They may ask, how well can you work with AI? And that single question could determine who gets hired. If AI became a required skill for most jobs tomorrow, would you be ready? Let us know in the comments.